at Rob's, and he cooked in the Instapot chicken marsala. And you know, I've never cooked this before, but I've already had, this is my second. I'm going in for seconds.
It's really good.
Good morning. I'm just watered my plants, drinking some coffee, and today going over to Deborah's and help her to start prepping with her shed and her casita on painting it before, it looks like we might get some rain sometime later today, but I think we can get it prepped. I have to be careful using that word. You know what goes in here? I got dinged for that one time. Back when I was painting my house, they demonetized my video. And I was like, why? What did I say that was so wrong? And being from Texas, I don't really pronounce every word as it's spelt. So anyway, it was kind of funny when I had to watch it. And I was like, oh, I think I know why. But anyway, so I'm going to get started on that this morning. It'll dry for a good 4 or 5 hours, so it'll be fine before the rain. My tomato plant is still, let me show you. It is still hanging in there. Yeah, look at all those tomatoes. I've got it so taped up. But yeah, it's still alive. It's still kicking. It's still doing good. I just hope it, all the tomatoes turn before we go out of town. And my jalapeno plant, I need to probably pick this one. Yeah, look at that. Nice jalapeno. I should probably cut it. This one is just, it's about the, well, here's a bigger tomato. But not doing much on this one. But anyway. Alright, I'm through caulking, I think, for the day, because it's gonna rain. But, oh, I should say prepping to paint. So, we're taking that board off because it's rotted. I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna get all the stuff done down below first. So, got that done. You're on the outside looking in.
I'm in jail.
You're in jail. There's Sammy. Alright, got that done. Got all the bottom done because it needed a little help. And got all that done. So we took the boards off here. We might take that one off too. Not sure yet. It might be rotten. But we're going to leave the boards off and just caulk down this seam. For whatever reason they didn't center these boards right, and it looks weird. So anyway,
Gonna look good when we're done.
yeah.
We stopped playing cards for a little bit to have dinner. I am having a plate of nachos. Jana is going to have chicken strips and chicken nuggets and an egg roll. What's he doing?
Licking.
No lick, buddy. No lick.
This is the leftover roast.
Oh, yeah, the leftover pot roast.
Mm-hmm.
This was the remainder of it. I chopped it up. Jana heated it up, and we made a plate of nachos out of it with shredded cheese and mozzarella and her homemade salsa. Nom, 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 nom.
I'm cleaning out the freezer. Had a little bit of chicken nuggets left and 2 egg rolls left over in the freezer. So cleaning out my RV fridge so I can defrost it. I'm almost there. Well, this is the jalapenos I took off of there this morning. We had another nice little rain. Yeah. I still got a whole lot on here. But I might. Oh, there's another big one. I can even take that one too. I want some stuffed jalapenos in the air fryer. Wouldn't that be good? For breakfast this morning, it's going to be a burrito, leftover roast that Deborah had for nachos. Didn't eat all the nachos, so that's the leftover roast and cheese, and making one of these tortillas. And I am having, here's my tortilla, and these already cooked sausage links. I'm going to put those in the microwave and cook those, heat them up with an egg. So I have an egg and sausage and cheese burrito. Using up what we've got. Use up them groceries. That's that roast. Doesn't that look good? It's got some salsa and cheese. You don't want more cheese?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Okay.
Yum, 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 yum.
All right, I have to show you. I got my new journal, and I thought, well, I might as well just show you all of this that I got from Amazon. So, Deborah and I play cards a lot. We do puzzles a lot. And I thought, why don't we do a paint by numbers? Yeah. So, these were fairly inexpensive. And what's cool is it is on canvas. Oops. I can't do this one-handed. I'm opening this up out here just so I don't have to take the box in, because I got to take the box to the trash. So, can't really tell what it is, but there you go. It's books and flowers. I thought, oh, that's pretty cool. So, we'll do paint by numbers one of these evenings. And here's my new journal. It's a Midori. It's probably the only name brand journal that I've bought. Usually I just buy the cheapies at Walmart. But anyway, I saw a review on this one, and I like... Let's take it out of the package. It's supposedly lays flat when it's open. Alright, here it is. And it's plain. So if I want to draw or write or whatever, it's kind of got a hard stock, and it's plain, which but it's soft cover. And if you've seen any of my other journals, I like to put stickers, and this one I can stamp. Like if we go to a national park or something, I'll still stamp my passport, but I can stamp this too. And see how flat it lays? That was one thing I really liked about it. And it kind of expands a little bit. So anyway, there's my new notebook. Well, it is a notebook. And made in Japan. And you can tear the corners off if you would like. I don't know that I'll do that, but I loved how it lays flat. And what else did I get? Oh my gosh. A chef's knife. Man, don't show me a knife, because you know me and knives. This is my new kitchen knife. I go through knives and I don't go through them, I just collect them. Look at this beauty. Well, hang on. Look at that. Let's take it out of the wrapper. Ooh. That is cool. Very, very cool. You can do like that. Man. This would be good to use when I'm cutting up those pork shoulders. I really need a big, good knife for that. Or roast ribs. But I love that. Alright, that's all. That's all in this box.
Jana just got us this. Jana just got us this. You guys, look. And it's framed, and it's canvas. And I told her, oh, and it's flowers. And she's like, it's not really flowers. I'm like, it looks like flowers. And then she said, what else do you see? And I said, I see a wall. She's like, no, it's not a wall. So look, I got it partially right. It's flowers and books.
Yeah.
And we get to paint. I have been wanting to do this forever. Thank you, Jana.
Yeah, it's going to be fun.
It's going to be such fun.
So Deborah has bought these Bones, and so Sammy's been chewing them up, so I bought some. This is a 4-pack, I think, is what I got. I got this from Chewy's. Yeah.
One bone.
Look at him.
Are you supposed to be there?
He said, well, I was almost chewing on that back scratcher.
Yeah, that's not a good chew toy. We're giving you some chew toys. Can you have something, Mama Jana? Mama Jana's lining all of this out for you, and you're chewing on.
There you go.
Wow.
All different shapes. We know they like this one. You want this? It might be a little heavy for you. I can't reach him. Let's see about Sammy chewing on this one. You want this? Oops. That one's bigger around, isn't it? She said, I don't know about this one. There you go. New toys.